Hello, I'm your lawyer on your charge of sale of a controlled substance. Why don't you tell me what happened?
Well, I was just sitting in my car when the police rolled up and arrested me.
Okay, well, according to the police report, you sold a half kilo of cocaine to an undercover officer, and they found an ounce of cocaine in your pocket.
So, you were just taking the state's side?
No, but I saw the video of you handing the cops a shoebox and getting $12,000 in marked cash that was found in your car.
So what can you do to help me?
We may need to consider some sort of plea bargain.
What kind of time am I looking at?
With that amount of cocaine and your record, you are probably looking at 3 to 5 years.
What do you mean, my record? I only have one prior felony.
You were on probation when you got arrested for selling dope.
Will I get a probation violation?
Yes, refraining from distributing controlled substances is a standard condition of probation.
There is no way I could serve 3 to 5 years. I'll just take the case to trial.
What will be your defense?
Nobody read me my Miranda rights.
Did the police question you after you were arrested?
No.
Did you make any statements to them?
No.
Then they did not need to read your Miranda rights.
Are you sure? Because a guy in here told me that if they don't read you your Miranda rights, they have to throw the case out.
Was the person in jail? Did that person have a law license?
He's in the bunk next to mine. He knows about all this because he's been arrested a whole bunch of times.
So what defense do you want to use at trial?
What about entrapment?
How did the deal get arranged?
My pal, Fat Mike, called me and asked if I could set his friend up with a half kilo, and I did.
Is Fat Mike a drug dealer?
I think so. He was out on bond when he called me to set this up.
I see. I do not see an entrapment defense working here. Fat Mike set you up with the police to get a break on his charges.
There is no way I can do 3 to 5 years.
Where are you now?
In jail.
Do they let you come and go as you please?
No, we are locked in.
Then I think you may have no choice.
What about my motion of discovery?
Do you know what that is?
It is where the police have to show you the evidence against you.
Do you remember when you sold the cocaine to the undercover officer that Fat Mike introduced you to?
Yes.
That, plus the fact that you were filmed doing that, that is the evidence against you.
You should file some other motion then.
Like what?
You are the lawyer, you tell me.
How about a motion for a bill of particulars?
Will that help me?
If by help you mean it will be legally pointless, it will annoy the judge and he will summarily deny it, then yes, it will help you.
What about a drug program?
Are you a cocaine user?
No.
You can go to drug programs while serving your sentence.
You were just a no-good piece of crap court-appointed lawyer. I'm gonna get a paid lawyer who is not in with the state.
Ouch. In the 20 years I have been doing court-appointed work, no one has ever said anything so soul-crushing. It may not look like it, but behind this calm front I'm crying on the inside.
Really?
No.
I am going to hire a paid lawyer.
Do you have any money?
No. There is no way I can go to prison for 3 years. I have 2 kids. I need to be with my kids. Who will support them?
When is the last time you spent time with your kids?
Their mom brought them to court before the hearing where I got locked up for non-payment of child support.
Well, children are resilient. Do you understand you may get more prison time if you make the judge sit through a trial?
They can punish me just for going to trial. That is not right.
The judge won't say he is punishing you for taking your case to trial. He will just give you more time without saying why he is doing it.
Then I will appeal.
Okay, good luck with that.
Why are the drug laws so harsh?
Have you ever voted?
No.
Are you registered to vote?
No.
Have you ever made a campaign contribution?
No.
Have you ever hired a lobbyist?
No.
Have you ever written a letter to your congressman?
No. I have not done any of those things.
Then it is surprising the legislature is not more attentive to your concerns.
I am going to call the Innocence Project. My case is just like the one that was on the news where that guy got released from prison.
Are you talking about the case where the man was in prison for 15 years convicted of murder before he was cleared by DNA testing?
Yes, exactly. My case is just like that.
Except for the fact that you are not innocent and the charge in that case was murder, your case is just like that.
You think so?
No, have you ever seen the part on Sesame Street where they sing one of these things is not like the other?
No.
I did not think so.
I want a new lawyer